This is the elevator here at JCPenney, Brookfield Square Mall in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Check this out, we got an old Dover elevator ride. Oh, look at this. Armor fixtures. Let's go to 3. Here we go. Here we're at 3. 1. Wow, look at these fixtures. Rare armor fixtures. Those buttons look really cool. Let's get a cabin now. Basic elevator, in my opinion. I don't know what was that there. Armor fixtures, Sears COP. Watch it go out. That buzzer did not sound good. Let's end the video at 2. Listen to this in order. Especially the little picture cam this time. Here are 2. This is where we're gonna end the video. Wow, look at these armor buttons. This elevator was installed in the 1960s, by the way. In perfect timing, I'm low battery, so let's watch the elevator close up. There it goes, and look at that indicator. That's it.